If you need to schedule a meeting in Gmail, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a Google Meet link from Gmail, add it to a calendar event, invite guests, and save everything properly so your meeting is ready to go. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once Gmail loads, look at the left side menu and find the Meet section. Under Meet, click New Meeting. This will generate a new Google Meet link for your meeting. After that, copy the meeting link so you can use it in your calendar event. Now open a new tab and go to calendar.google.com. This is where you'll create the actual meeting event and send invites to your participants. In the top left corner of Google Calendar, click Create, then choose Event. A new event window will open where you can enter all the important meeting details. Start by adding a clear event title so everyone knows what the meeting is about. Next, choose the correct date and time for your meeting. Make sure the time is accurate so your guests receive the proper schedule. After that, click Add Guests and enter the email addresses of everyone you want to invite. This is important because Google Calendar will send them the meeting invite automatically. Once the guests are added, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, then paste the meeting link you copied earlier into the event details. This connects your Google Meet link to the calendar event so participants can join easily when the meeting starts. Before finishing, review everything one more time. Check the title, date, time, guest list, and meeting link to make sure nothing is missing. When everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar may ask if you want to send invitation emails to your guests, so confirm that if prompted. And that's it. Your meeting is now scheduled in Gmail using Google Meet and Google Calendar. Your invitees will receive the details and you'll be ready to host your meeting at the scheduled time. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.